the best deal as an investor. This is what I try to train all my students and train all my people that I talk to. The mindset that I have for myself, and I want to instill this mindset in you and everyone listening. Every time you find a deal, even as a realtor, you want to always ask yourself, which is the best and highest deal? Could this be a BRRRR?
Right.
A BRRRR, when you get done rehabbing it, you guys, you should get 30% and higher in equity when the time you're done. So for example, if a property is, after you remodel it, if it's worth $500,000, you should be all in purchase price and rehab price, 70% of the ARV.
Right.
So it's called it's called a 350. So anytime you get a property has 70% all in at the appraised value or the after repair value, 70%, that's a BRRRR. That's a signal you should keep the property. Anything, now if it don't fit a BRRRR, then the next best thing is a flip. A flip should be between 20 and 25% margin. And if it don't fit a flip, then it should, the next thing below that, it should be a wholesale. Wholesale to be from 15 to 20%. You should just wholesale that away, make your money and run.
Yeah.
Now, anything less than that, it should be a listing. Anything from 0 to 10% margin, ain't no meat on that bone. Just tell the seller, let me just list it for you.
Yeah.
That's absolutely the benchmark. How you know? Okay, people ask me all the time, Aaron, how do you know when to keep a property or flip a property or list a property? That's the 4 benchmark. How you know?